Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna talk about the FAA considering letting drones fly over crowds, and they're also considering they want to allow the drones to be flown at night by trained pilots. So today I'm gonna discuss my thoughts on these topics. So the FAA, if you don't know, stands for Federal Aviation Administration. So on January the 14th, Monday 2019, they proposed that they want drones to be flown over people, but not just any drones, like a certain type of drones, and they must have a certain spec on them. So here's some of the spec that they need to be in order for them to fly over people. So the drones, in order for them to fly over people, they have to be at a certain weight and they have to be at a certain height. So drones that weighs less than 0.55 pounds is able to fly over people without any restrictions, and they have to have like propeller guards and stuff like that, which is basically a safety guard in order in if they crash they don't damage people or they don't damage the wings, which more importantly don't damage the people. But yeah, those are the two major factors in order for a drone to fly over people heads. But I know for a fact in certain countries, especially when they're keeping like outdoor parties, they have numbers of drones flying over, different production company flying over to get those beautiful shots of the people performing, and that's flying over thousands of people. I mean, big drones, DJI, the DJI commercial drone, the amateur drones, all different type of drones flying over those people heads. And I know for a fact that happened in other countries. So I thought the FAA approve all these, but I guess not. They're just proposing. So basically, those production companies could be sued, and I always see it and wonder, why do they allow drones to fly over people's head? Because it can damage anybody. I mean, it's a computer. A computer can malfunction anytime and cut somebody in the neck, kill them. So it's a very risky move. So the FAA has to take it step by step and approve everything to make sure safety is first. The other topic is the FAA wants trained pilots to fly drones at night. This is a tough decision to make because, again, it's not like a DSLR that has a flash that you can see directly where you're pointing it at. I mean, at the night you can hardly see where you're flying unless those little lights that light up on the drone will give you a little bit of assistance, but overall you can't really see in front of you. There's not that much visibility, so you have to be well trained, and I think it's a tough decision to make because you might never know what's in the sky at night. So overall, in conclusion, I think this law is gonna probably cause some controversies because you're having people life in your hand right now. So these computers can malfunction anytime and cut somebody in the neck or damage them, damage people. So that's it for this video guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.